Today I want to talk about Black Diamond, still the #1 ambient light rejecting screen material in the world. Dealers love it because they get predictable results every time.
This product can create the best blacks on earth and the best white simultaneously.
Customers love it because the image is second to none. At SI, we always listen to our dealer. Black Diamond is the premier ambient light rejecting material in the world. It's rollable, it goes big, and now we have our easy to assemble and easy to install snap system. Developing the Black Diamond snap system required thinking outside the box, from working with materials we've never worked with before to modifying and building custom machines and fixtures. 9 months of development, all to bring you, the dealer, the installation experience you were looking for. So I'm here in the SI engineering test area, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to put one of these screens together. So just like a slate screen, you line your snap caps up with the snaps on the screen material, pull it around and snap it in place. Maybe you've been buying other screen materials because of ease of installation. Now you can have the best of both worlds. We brought that same ease of installation to Black Diamond.